Yaman na. Sir, potang datang laki ninti mo ikit yung Kyla. Ketang bulugan na. Maskulado mga yan. Harap na kayo?
Nano, babo ka balen?
Nano, babo ka balen?
Nano, babo ka balen?
Nano, babo ka balen? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa San Fernando, Pampanga, particularly Barangay San Agustin, and we are going to feature this restaurant right here. It's called Siowings Unlimited Wings and Siomai. And actually, hindi lang yun yung mga sinaserve nila dito. Ang dami pa. So if you are interested to know more about this, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Good. Alright, so this is it. Finally, napuntahan natin yung isa sa mga branches ng Siowings. Actually, last year, we were able to feature them during the pandemic time, no? According to our orientation with the owner, na-established po to around 2019, year 2019, and then this is their San Agustin branch. It's a testament of people like it. Gusto ng mga tao yung mga tinitinda nila. The price is reasonable because dumarami yung mga branches nila. And now, this is their San Agustin branch. So, if you are near this vicinity, no? Malapit sa Dizon Estate, San Agustin, San Isidro, Dolores, this is the place to be. It's at San Agustin, along MacArthur Highway lamang siya. So, this is our table. Look at this, guys. Meron tayong mga kasama and yeah, sasamahan tayong kumain dito para introduce yung mga pagkain. Let's go! Lalo na yung nakakatabagan. Manira yung gloves nga, baby. Ayun guys, habang nagpe-prepare kami dito, pakilala muna natin mga kasama natin. So, si Miss Hart. Hello, Miss Hart. And Sir Dennis. Ayun. So, hello, Sir Dennis. Again, thank you so much po for inviting us. So, usually, nung oras dumarating kasi yung mga customers natin?
Basta after office hours po ganun lagi. Pero depende sir, kapag holiday, maaga pa lang, marami na.
Yun, usually. Walang trabaho nun.
Lunch time po, marami.
Lunch time. Sir, sa experience nyo, sir, bakit gusto ng mga tao yung unlimited wings?
Masarap po sila ng flavors namin.
Masarap lahat ng mga flavors. In terms of price, we are starting at how much? Magkano po yung sa menu natin?
Yung 229 namin, unlimited wings lahat, tapos 8 original flavors, then pili ka pa kung honey or chili, bali total of 11 flavors. Yung 269 naman, doon lang tayo sa 8 original flavors, kaso unlimited din yung siomai, siomai, fries, nachos, rice and crackers niya. Yung 299 sir, palang ng 269 kaso madadagdagan siya ng 3 flavors pa kung honey or chili.
Yun na yung all-in, 299 pesos.
Yes.
Yun na ba yung all-in? Okay, and then, of course, aside from the unlimited chicken natin, unlimited din yung mga rice natin.
Yes.
Talagang bisa kang aspakan at chance, talagang hindi ka muntan eh. Sa experience niyo po, Sir Dennis, usually yung mga tao, ilan yung pinakamarami ng nakain? Sa isang tao lang.
Meron kasi kami dito sir, balik-balik sila. Pamilya sila. Apat lang kalibangan nung last. Apat sila tapos naka 80 plus na chicken. Parang lumalabas na 20 plus per head.
20 plus pieces. Yung sinabi mo kanina, an average of 20. Around naka 2 kilo yun? So again, thank you so much Siowings for inviting us. This is what you get, no? So ito sir, ito yung all-in. 299 pesos.
Bali dyan sir, ano lang, yung dun sa series na chili or honey.
Yes.
Bali kapag yun dun sa all-in, pili lang sila kung honey or chili. Bali less lang ng 3 flavors.
Okay, understood. Mga balik-balik dito sir, ano yung mga favorite nila?
Parmesan.
Ikaw Ma'am Hart, ano yung ang favorite mo dito?
Parmesan po, tsaka yung soy garlic.
Parmesan and soy garlic. Well, ako, yung mga best sellers. Okay, if you've been following me guys, of course, you know, mahilig ako sa mga spicy. Alright, so I'm gonna love this. Yeah, let's dine in. Let's tikman na natin to. Ito separate siya doon sa unlimited.
Opo.
So, a la carte ito.
Yes.
This is how much?
Yung 20 pieces sir, 150.
150 pesos. So, usually good for ilang tao na yun?
Marami na. Sir, kasi madalas sir, yung order sa amin yan, pagpulutan nila.
Cheers guys. pangalan niya, sir, Siowings. I'm assuming siomai and wings.
Yes.
So dun tayo nag-start. Dun nag-start ang pinaka-business natin, siomai.
So may means.
Yung makapagsalita sir kasi hanggang ngayon, actually, sabi namin, po ang ngayon nakikilig kayong pamangan, bala mo. Wala na kang excitement kanina. Pero hanggang ngayon, sir, kikilig ka pa rin. Nakikilig ka pa muna ng pamangan. Alright. Mention ko muna yung mga ano natin, mga flavors natin dito. So this is the chili series. So, yeah?
Yes.
Chili series. Ito naman yung mga honey series. So meron tayong sweet chili, spicy, salted egg, at saka Korean chili. Oh, Korean chili. Wow.
I think that's the best for you.
Wow! So manghang daw talaga.
Yeah.
Now for the honey naman, meron tayong honey garlic, honey sriracha, at honey barbecue. Okay, so bagay na bagay daw to sa akin kasi manghang talaga to. Sir Dennis, kailan nag-open si Siowings-San Agustin?
Yung ano po, March 26.
Very new as of recording this video po, né? And I would like to, kumbaga, acknowledge them kasi it's an inspiration kasi in the middle of pandemic, ang hirap, isipin natin kung pupunta ba yung mga tao or kasi everyone's affected by the pandemic. Nakaka-inspire po yung mga tao na they're able to put up a business in the midst of the pandemic. Yun na. Nung misa ka talagang ika mong biligay, like ikaming mamangat kayo, na. You go here on around 1 to 4 p.m. 1 to 4 p.m. Monday to Sunday, they are open starting at 11 a.m. hanggang 10 p.m. So yan siya. Very, very long operational hours. Okay, mag-enjoy ko rin niya. Pero, huli kaya naman, gusto ko rin matikman yung isa sa mga pinaka-foundation nila. Sir, pwede yan tangmanin shopping kayo. Alright. Kamatan ko niya mo naman. Yes, sir. Kayo, patamangan kayo kayo guys. Si kayo mo talaga. Sumanyaman yung manggamat? Sumanyaman yung manggamat. Alright. Yan naman na. Yeah, so again guys, this is one of their staple, isa sa mga nag-umpisa talaga, siomai and wings, chicken wings. So just to mention din guys, dun sa mga unflavored natin or yung mga classic, available din pala dito. So you have your classic at saka yung salted egg. Okay, naman tayo ng honey sriracha. But, yun nga, sabi nga, available yung mga classic nila. For me, my recommendation, you gotta try yung mga flavored. So, meron silang 8 original flavored natin. So, we're gonna post it yung menu natin. Yeah. And then, dun sa mga, these are your special.
Special series po na.
Special series. So, the honey, at saka yung chili. So, which is recommend. It's a must try. It's a must. So, in reality, ma'am, Tumani, agisan mo ni gantay pala niya.
Sabi ka na, siguro siya nga pa may pikitas ka lang.
So, ayun guys, again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much, Siowings. Grabe, you guys rock. So, another place for you to check out dito po sa Barangay San Agustin, particularly Villa Corazon Subdivision, and along the highway lang po siya. If you are looking for a place na talagang mabubusog ka, siguro calling out yung mga mga college students. Yes. Usually ganun yung mga nakikita kong kakain dito, no? Mga tropa-tropa or kayo naman yung mga casual right after the office, right after your work. Maghahanap ng kainan na hindi ka magmamadali kasi it's gonna be unlimited, no? This is gonna be the place for you to check out. So this is Siowings. Thank you so much, Siowings, and congratulations for opening up in the midst of pandemic. What a great story. What an inspirational story. So yun guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much, Art and Sir Dennis. Guys, until our next discovery, stay safe. Available na ang delivery?
Yes po.
Oh yeah, guys. They are also available sa delivery if you want this food straight to your doorstep sa kitchen, on your table. Check out the caption po natin or we're gonna be flashing the numbers. Ayan. Call these numbers. There you go. Bye guys!
Bye!
Mga tamo po.